Welcome to PC Error Detective, and today I'll show you how to export Figma files to Adobe Illustrator, making it easy to move your designs between platforms. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps so you can export clean and editable files. For step 1, open your Figma project and select the frame, object, or entire design you want to move, because Illustrator needs a properly selected layer for accurate export. For step 2, go to the right menu, then see Daylog PNG, 1x Chose option, and click Export, and choose the format options that appear, as this section controls how your design leaves Figma. For step 3, select the SVG or PDF export format, since these formats keep paths, shapes, and text editable when opened inside Adobe Illustrator. For step 4, click the Export button. Choose a location on your computer and save the file, ensuring the exported version maintains your vector details. For step 5, open Adobe Illustrator, go to File, choose Open, select the exported SVG or PDF, and Illustrator will load your design with editable layers and clean vector shapes. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective.